Welcome to the healingchat.com. This meditation is about using the breath to be focused and become centered in the present moment. Find a comfortable position, maybe a chair or your couch or your bed. You can close your eyes or keep them open with a soft gaze downwards. Let your belly and shoulders relax. Take a full breath in and a long breath out. Now, allow the breath to find its natural rhythm. In and out. Keep breathing gently. Let your breathing be natural. Notice when the inhalation begins and when it ends. Then notice when the exhalation begins and when it ends. Keep breathing like this. Keep your awareness on your breath. And again, notice when the inhalation begins, how it continues, and when it ends. And then also notice when the exhalation begins, how it continues, and when it ends. Breathe gently. Can you make a little pause before the inhalation begins? Feel relaxed and comfortable. How do you feel watching your breath? You can open your eyes now, and if you feel like, you can keep breathing in this way for a little while longer, till you feel ready to go about your day.